Assalamu alaikum viewers, here I am with my next free math lesson. So welcome from Zilka's favorite. The topic for today is comparing and ordering numbers. That is really based on place values if you understand that well. So before starting the topic for today, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with others to spread the knowledge and education. To compare the numbers here is symbols greater than, lesser than, and equals to. As it is like the crocodile mouth, the open part of the crocodile will be towards the greater number and the closed pointed part will be towards the number that is less than. And if both numbers are same, exactly same, then we will use the equal to symbol, right? So here I have few examples. If we have to compare two-digit numbers, then what to do? Let's start with our pen to understand better. Yes, two-digit numbers, ones and tens. Two-digit numbers and tens. So the greater number in two-digit number is tens. So we will always start comparing with the greater digit. So greater digit is 7 tens and over here 5 tens. So which one is greater, viewers? 5 tens or 7? Of course 7 tens is greater. It means the whole number 76 is greater than 59 and we will show it with the symbol of greater than. The open mouth of crocodile will be towards the greater number. Now suppose if it is not two-digit number, it is three-digit number. That is, I have 1 over here, I have 2 over here. Then what to do? How to compare? Then we will start comparing from, right? Here I have 100, here I have 200. So which one is greater? Of course 200. So 259 will be greater than 176. Similarly, if I have 4 digits, here I have 1, here I have 3. Now what to do to compare? We will start comparing with thousands because 1000 is the greater digit over here, right? So here I have 3000 and here I have 1000. So which number is greater? Of course 3176 will be greater than 1259 and we will show it with the greater symbol towards 3000, right? So this is the way to compare the numbers. You have to just follow the place value chart. The sequence of the place value chart, you can do it easily. Here I have example of three-digit numbers 276, 359. 276 we have to compare from 200 and 300. As 300 is greater than 200, so of course that whole number 359 will be greater than 276. Open mouth of crocodile will be towards the, yes, towards the greater number. Now you understand it. Now one thing more. What if both greater numbers, both greater digits are equal? Here the greater digit is 400. Here it is also 400. What does it mean? It means that both numbers are same. Both numbers are equal? No. Only hundreds are equal over here. After comparing hundreds, we will move towards the tens. Here I have 3 tens and here I have 5 tens. So which tens is greater? 3 or 5? Yes, 5 tens is greater. It means 458 is greater than 439 and we will show it with the symbol. The open mouth of crocodile will be towards the bigger number, that is 458. So even now you can increase it with thousands or millions or billions. You will compare in the same way by comparing the biggest, the largest, the greatest digit of the number, even it is 100 or thousands or whatever. So after understanding, now we will move towards ordering numbers. Now we know how to compare. Let's see how to order the numbers, right? Here I have some numbers 630, 58, 1039, 5, 402. You should be able to read the numbers properly. Otherwise, you will not be able to solve comparing or ordering. It will be a big problem for you. So first remember, you should know how to read them. You should know they are tens or hundreds or thousands, okay? So you have to focus on place value chart. You have to focus on place value lesson. So here the numbers are. We have to see their place values. It is a hundreds number. it is tens, it is thousands, it is tens, ones and hundreds. The question is we have to write from least to greatest, means from smallest to the biggest. So which number is the smallest over here? Of course, according to place value chart, the ones is the least number, the smallest. So first we will write 5, that is the least number, and we will show the symbol of pointed part towards the least one, right? Next we have to jump towards tens. So I have 58 tens and 39 tens. Which tens I have to write first? 3 tens or 5 tens? As we are looking for least, so 3 tens will come first, 5 is the bigger one. So 39, then 58. Then I have to check after tens, I have to check for hundreds, 630, and then I have 402. So which hundreds is greater, 400 or 600? 600 is greater and I am looking for the least one, so 402 will come first, then 630, and then the last number will come, that is 1000. So this is the way how to order from these two greatest. If the situation is opposite, start comparing, start writing from greatest to least. Now we will check which one is greatest. As we know, 1000 is the greatest number, so first we will write thousands, and then we will use the symbol of greatest number towards the open mouth towards the greater number. After thousands, then I have to check hundreds. Which hundred is greater? 600 is greater than 400. So I will write 630 first, then 402. Then I have two numbers of tens, 58 and 39. So which tens is greater? Of course, 50 tens is greater than 30 tens. So first we will write 58, then 39, and then the last number will be 5. If you can see the numbers over here that are least to greatest, these are actually opposite of the numbers that is greatest to least, right? So this is the opposite of this. Here we have least to greatest. If I will write the numbers in opposite way from this side, it will be the greatest to least, right? I hope it's all clear now. Here is the quiz. Here is the quiz that you have to solve. You have to click this link. Over there you will get a tab of practice. Click practice tab and then click play. The game, an interesting game will start. You have to solve the quiz, get the screenshot or picture of the result and submit your result picture in the Math Google class. If still you didn't join the Math Google class, no worries, just join now. This is the right time. Join with this code. If you don't know how to join the Google classes, I am giving the link in the description box. Follow that link, you will easily understand. Similarly, if you want to join our English free classes, then you have to join this Google class with this code. It will be very interesting and it will increase your knowledge. Now viewers, there is a good news that I have designed some short courses that are 1 month English short courses for you, right? So you can join any of them. There are 4 which you know that you need to improve. So 1 month course of grammar practice, second is writing skills course, third reading experts, and fourth is listening and speaking. So you have to see which course you are interested. These all are for 1 month, and each course, the fee for each course is just 2000 rupees. If you are interested to improve your language, to improve the components of your language in this month of lockdown, it's really a precious time. You have a golden chance. So you can take this opportunity, you can avail it. You can just inbox at my Facebook ID Haya Sehgal, or you can WhatsApp me at this number, or you can comment in the comment box of this video that you are interested for which course, and then I will comment you back and you will be the part of new class. After completing the course of 1 month, you will get the certificate also after completing the assessments and the quiz, and that will be really great to get that